For many years, Sikaflex PRO-3 has been the professional sealant of choice for horizontal joint sealing in civil engineering structures and industrial floors. Sika is taking polyurethane technology to the next level with Sikaflex Purform. These next-generation Sikaflex PU prepolymers enable the products to be produced with superior performance and ultra-low monomeric diisocyanate contents. We develop products with great care, starting from the established and highly valued properties and performance of Sikaflex sealants, from their application through to their long-term weathering test results. Reliable and durable joint sealing is more than just fuel resistance, UV resistance, or adhesion, etc. It is only achieved by applying a product with the best balance of properties. Sikaflex PRO-3 Purform is such a well-balanced product with good mechanical properties combined with good adhesion, plus resistance to alkaline hydrolysis, UV light radiation and many chemicals, as well as having many more advantages. New Sikaflex PRO-3 Purform, available today, designed for the needs of tomorrow.